but we'll do that in a later video. Okay, I know we want to get to advertising. We want to run an ad, but I want to show you one more thing before we run an ad, and that's the Creative Hub. In the Creative Hub, you're going to find a place where you can just work at what it's called, the creatives. You can work at images, or you can see right here, full ad templates, creative assets, or audiences. You can set up your audiences, and basically it gives you a chance to work on these things outside of a particular ad so that you have them to use when you get into creating the ad. Let's use the one in the middle right now and just work on some images, videos, and copies. So these are the tools that are available to us now. And by the way, we continue to add more and more. So when you're watching this video, depending on when you're watching it, there may be more available here than what you're seeing on this video. You can see we have 4 tabs at the top: add images, add videos, add copy, and audio. So you can transform text into any high quality AI generated voiceovers. Let's click on that. I'll use my business builders as our example. Describe what you're advertising. Okay, so I just said upgrade your business adventure today by joining Business Builders, where you'll find coaching courses, content, and community. So let's just click generate. And so we just put in a sentence, a short snippet of what we're creating, and we click generate. All right, so here we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Transform your business. Why struggle alone? Business Builders brings you coaching and tools like LaunchCart. Join our success community for collaboration and savings. Let's achieve greatness together. You can see that it created a script. Let's go ahead and grab this one because we're in the generate. Remember, we're in the generate audio from text. We're going to use this one and click generate. Now LaunchADS is going to give me a file. Let's listen to it.
Why struggle alone? Business Builders brings you coaching and tools like LaunchCart. Join our success community.
Okay, you can see that's one of the things. So we could create that as an audio. All right, let's go create an image. Let's go do AI text to image. All right. Describe the background. Let's use their prompts. I'm going to say inspiring workspace. Let's do dynamic networking hub. Add your message. Join business. Actually, look at this. It's already got some of the stuff. It's starting to learn about me. Elevate your entrepreneurial journey. Join the success revolution. Collaborate for greater success. I'm going to use build your business, thrive together, and generate. It's going to go, again, this is why we set up our business brand first, so it has an idea where to start when it generates these images or these memes. Again, we're in the Creative Hub. We're just working at creative assets that we can use in an ad. Make sure that you go to the Creative Hub and you do add images, add videos, add copy. Let's take a look at it. Build your business, thrive together. Let's save these changes. We're going to choose the one by one. We're going to add that image. Okay, before we leave here, let's do one video. Add videos, and let's go do an add video with the avatars. We're going to click on that. Brand info, business builders. All right, join the Business Builder Success. Okay, this was what we created earlier. businessbuildersuccess.com. It does not have my logo. I'm going to go grab one, and that's it. I'm going to say next. All right, video settings, up to 5 images. I don't really have images, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to this selection area, and I'm going to go to Shutterstock. I'm going to go get square images, and this is important. You're going to see watermarks when you use Shutterstock, and when you see them here, don't worry about it. It won't appear in the final ad image. It just shows when we're doing our initial search. So I'm just going to click on this one and this guy, and we're going to add those. So we're going to click X, and you can see that they're getting added over here on the left. All right, so we added a couple of images, and we're not going to add any videos. We're not going to add a style, and we're just going to say next. We're going to add the target audience, and you can see I could have chosen 15 seconds or 30 seconds. I left it at the default 15 seconds. All right, so we're going to either choose or create a script. I'm just going to pick one. Obviously, you're going to take time to read through this. I'm just going to pick this first one. Call to action. Whatever it says, that's what we're taking. All right, now, as you do this, you're going to find some of these avatars that you like better than others, and it's a process of going through them. I'm going to choose Charles, and then we can choose a voice. So let's listen to Ken.
Hello and welcome. This is my voice and how I sound.
Okay, that's not bad.
Hello and welcome.
Trying to find.
Hello and welcome.
That sounds like a good one. That seems like a good one. American English accent. We're going to create that video. And now it may take up to 2 minutes, 120 seconds. And a couple of things, right now, there's a daily limit. You can create 3 of these a day. So you can't just go in and just create ad after ad, video after video, but you can create up to 3 of them. And there we go. So we've got our image of the young guy in the background. We got Charles. We're going to actually click on this little thing here and we're going to take a look at it. Let's see what it's like.
I remember feeling lost in a sea of competitors, unsure turn next. Then I discovered the business builders and
Kind of strange. I wouldn't use that one just because the tone changes and it goes back and forth, but you get the idea. That's how you can create your own videos using AI. I went ahead and selected it, and I'm adding that to my list of options. So that's the Creative Hub. We are now ready to go into advertise and create our first ad coming in the next video.